whenever you're ready.
Okay, so we find ourselves here in our Class 4 and 7 MOT bay, and this was our first MOT that we did in-house, was in this area here. So we've designated it slightly differently, and it's been pivotally important to us and the operations that we have so that we can do our own MOTs. We move on to this bit. These are our 6 sort of main service ramps that we have in a kind of herringbone shape. The ramps are actually I think they're the 3rd ramp that we've had. So we've worn out 2 sets of ramps, and these are our 3rd ramps. These are Stenhoyts. You'd find them in main dealers, and yeah, they're by far the best equipment. And actually we've learnt long ago that the cheapest price is seldom the best value. So these have a much longer perceived life. They're well looked after. But anyway, that's boring stuff. It's my ramps. They're all the best ramps. They're brilliant. Interesting kit here, actually. This is a drive-through. It's an autonomous drive-through lane, so it checks the geometry of the car, and also it measures the tread depth and condition just through one pass. So you just drive through, and then that information is relayed directly to a screen in the front of the house, often where the customers are waiting. So they've got a live time result of what the condition of their tyres are, and also if their geometry is accurate or not. It leads straight into this, which is an alignment ramp actually. It's 6 metres in the bed, and it will take, I think, 6 tonnes. So that was annoying. We had that put in last year, so we had to break all the floor out so that we could offer the full sort of suite of solutions for customers regardless of their vehicle. We decided we needed a longer ramp. So yeah, this is a dedicated alignment ramp that's being used for other purposes today. Perhaps we'll have a little wander. Should we go through here? We've got our sort of estimating team, the workshop manager and the parts manager in here, trying to coordinate the work in terms of getting the work identified, authorised, organised, and then completed as well. And this is something that we worked on hard last year to try and get these people all together so that they're in the same office to help coordinate meaningful repairs. So yeah, a little bit of chatting going on in here, but we can go out this way. Vehicles which are under our care or due to come in, they've got things which have been pre-ordered, so we know the registration numbers of the vehicles, we know the dates that they're booked in, so it's up to the guys in there to coordinate that the parts are in the right place, that we have the right technician with the right amount of time to deliver the repair on time for the customer as they would expect it within terms of time and pricing restraint. It does all come together to create quite a solution in car repairs, right? So I'm excited about it, even if you're not. If you come on into here, this is our commercially biased bay. So again, another Stenhoy ramp, one of many, many ramps that we have. This one we had commissioned because it's longer again. It lifts 6 tonnes. It takes, I think, a 6-metre van. So we can get commercials in here. So we do a lot of that in this side, and we do a lot of motorhomes as well, because effectively they're just vans, right, with caravans bolted on the back. So there's no, it's not snake oil, they're just vans, and we can maintain those. So yeah, we do quite a lot of that in here, and so that makes this a sort of commercially biased end. So yeah, it concludes really our suite of solutions for vehicles and their owners.